Okay, this is going to be a video of changing the oil filter in the oil burner. Now, when I first did it, I bought the small filter. I didn't realize it. I bought the most common one that they tell you to get, and I bought the wrong one. It was the larger one. First thing, turn off your oil burner. Okay, let's go down. So needless to say, some of the job is already done. So I was making a video before. I do my videos live. So you get the real deal with me. You get the real deal of what's going to happen and what could happen to you. The second thing you got to do, turn off those oil fills. Now, those are those safety things. When you turn them off, if you turned it on and there was a fire in the house, those things would melt and then they would turn off by themselves. It's an ingenious little design. And as you can see, I left all this open. Now, so what happens here? There's a 5/8 bolt on the top. That's laying down there, 5/8 bolt. Comes out. Underneath that is a little gasket. You're going to change that gasket. This canister drops down. Sometimes you need a screwdriver to pry it down. There's a little lip. You could pry it down. And that gasket goes right there. Actually, I want to get something to wipe that clean. Actually, there's a rag right there. I'll use whatever that thing is over there. I'll just use that. All right. And this was my old filter that came out. Now, my oil guy said, do yourself a favor, get this one. He likes the gray filter. He doesn't like that paddle wheel looking one. Now, I'll show you how it goes back together. Hopefully the phone is in a good position. Let me grab this old towel that no one would ever reuse. I don't know if I could put these gloves back on or if I'd even want to. You know what? I'm not going to put the gloves back on. And let's just make sure this is clean. I kind of wish I did put the gloves back on. I just want a clean surface to butt up to. Because if it's not, you know, that could be not a good thing. Okay. Then we're going to place the gasket. Boom. Okay. And, oh boy. Let's see if we could get this in there. There it goes, slips right in. You know, this is going to stink because my fingers are going to get all covered with oil. And you put this bolt through. There's a little ring through the bolt. Oh, it's tight. Okay, it goes. See? And then that kind of drops through. Then we're going to hold this up. I put a pan under here so I had something to work with. Now, let's see if I could catch this thing. I'm not really catching it anywhere. That's weird. Oh, I see what's happening. I got to slip that in up there. Hold on. That's a little tough. That is pretty tough. There we go. Okay. Now, let's get this tightened up. And then we'll turn it back on. And we're going to hope for the best. Let's let this slowly go into place. Feels good. Okay, now, hopefully, that's all good. Now, I mean, like I said, I do it from scratch. Now, the reason I changed this filter, the oil burner was puffing.